Three poems about the rain from my book, Pitching for a Pink Bow Tie. Learning to love the rain. I've noticed the angle of the rain, the way it falls in perfect time. I've noticed the thickness of the drops, how they taste, how they feel. Against the skin, 1,000 things occur again when you learn to love the rain. Before I learned to love the rain. Again, the rain torments my 2 years younger self. The rain trying to drive us all insane in its stealth with all my wealth of experience about these things. But the rain clings to the window pane. And 2 years later, I'm still insane, but for another reason. A time when even the very idea of loving the rain was absurd. Again, the rain endeavours to drive us all insane as it pounds against the window pane. Our brains are full of pains from the water, the constant rain. Those three poems are from my book, Pitching for a Pink Bow Tie, available on Amazon as a print version and also on Kindle.